Hello, I'm WBZ TV meteorologist Barry Burbank. I have your forecast for the next several days, and let's see what's going on here as we check out the number of 90-degree days in Boston. And so far, we're up to 6. It wasn't that long ago. We only had 1 or 2, and now we're already up to 6. And we may get another one in Boston on Tuesday and possibly Monday, but certainly going to get one more in the upcoming week, it seems, at this point, as we check out, of course, 2016 was a really hot summer. And so far, this July has been really hot, as you know, with the mean temperature departure at plus 9.1 degrees. That's astonishing for all these red squares. It's been quite the hot week, as you know, but today we're going to add a blue square, the first one of the month. The temperature is going to be a little bit below average in Boston. So we're looking at a good beach day today, with temperatures being in the mid-70s along the coast. For the afternoon temperatures there, you'll find an east-southeast breeze at 4 to 12 miles an hour, so not that much wind, but enough to keep the beach temperatures a little bit lower than it will be inland. The water temperatures, meantime, are mostly in the mid-60s to lower 70s. They might have dropped a little bit right at the coastline, right at the beaches, because last night when the wind picked up out of the west-northwest, it pushed some of that warmer surface water out to sea, replaced by somewhat cooler air underneath, cooler water underneath. But overall, the water is still continuing to be very pleasant for swimming. And we got a low tide the first part of the afternoon. That means there'll be plenty of beach out there for you to go to. Remember to apply the sunscreen, that's for sure. We've got the next high tide at 6:54 this evening. So your highs will again be around the middle 70s all along the coast and down over most of the Cape. Some places on the Cape away from the water, inland a bit, will be closer to 80. And it certainly will be 80 to 81 or possibly 82. Manchester being the hot location for today, Manchester and over into the Monadnock region. The nation as a whole is not quite as hot as it has been for the last couple of weeks anyway. Of course, it continues to be extremely hot in the southwest and extending into California. Even Los Angeles will be hot today. But it looks like it's not that bad. However, the heat's going to start building and building again, and here with this other high-pressure center taking control. And that's the one which has given us some refreshment here early this morning and last night, with so much dry air pouring in on the eastern side of the high. Once the high moves over us and offshore, somewhat more humid air will come back. But this time around, it doesn't look like it's going to be anywhere near as oppressive as it was through much of this past week. The frontal boundary, which produced the nasty thunderstorms midday and first part of the afternoon yesterday, is well offshore now. So we're looking at a nice night this evening for all outside activities all day long and this evening as well. You can take in the Revolution game at Gillette Stadium as they host, I believe that's the wrong number there. It should be Seattle is going to be in town for that game coming up for tonight. And weather should be fine. It should be around 77 degrees, 75, 77, something like that at the start of the game at 7:30. In the meantime, it looks like it's going to be a chilly night compared to what we have had. 46 to 50 across most of the suburbs, in the low-lying spots, that is. Otherwise, most of the suburbs in the mid-50s, and closer to the upper 50s, near 60 in the urban centers for low temperatures tonight. So you might find it cool enough late tonight to have to reach for that light blanket again. Then we'll warm up tomorrow to the middle 80s, so about close to 4 or 5 degrees higher than today. Along the coast, it'll be close to, but mostly just under 80 degrees, I think, right at the beaches, with a little bit of a sea breeze again. So there comes the nice big high. It's called high pressure, giving us all this beautiful weather and dry weather. That'll continue into Monday. There'll be this approaching front. Eventually, a front coming in may give us some showers or a thunderstorm on Tuesday afternoon, but that's about it. So we're looking at so much sunshine from the mountaintops to the seashore today. It's a great place to be in New England. You can go hiking and climbing. You can go boating, camping. You can go anywhere, down to the Cape, to the beaches. There you see strings of high clouds off to the south of us, peeling off from that frontal boundary which has gone to the south. So over Nantucket, you're seeing some high clouds. Over the rest of the Cape, you can look down and see some of those high clouds. And then you can see this developing tropical depression here just off the Carolinas, which is going to mill around for a little while, and then it's going to take off to the northeast. This morning, it's about 140 miles east-southeast of Cape Hatteras, with max winds of 30 miles an hour. It looks like it's going to eventually start to take off more toward the northeast, so it would take it far out to sea. Nevertheless, it's still close enough, so we need to watch it closely in case it becomes a minimal hurricane. Right now, it looks like it should become a tropical storm eventually. It would be called Tropical Storm Chris. Meantime, we have Hurricane Beryl barreling toward the Lesser Antilles It's just a minimal hurricane and is a small one at this point and is not expected to become a dangerous or major hurricane as it slowly weakens eventually. We'll have to see what happens with Beryl, but not too concerned about that. But here it goes for the 7-day forecast. Looking ahead, and it looks cooler than last week, but we still have some hot days coming. On Monday and Tuesday should be 90 to 95, and probably we'll get that 7th day of 90s in Boston for this year coming up on Tuesday. And it looks like one humid day on Tuesday, and then relatively dry the second half of the week. Not as dry and beautiful as this weekend will be, but the humidity will be probably moderate, let's put it that way, versus oppressive that we had this past week. So it looks overall, other than a couple of scattered thunderstorms Tuesday, we have some great vacation weather coming up for the entire upcoming week. That's it for now. Have a wonderful weekend.